So we are leaving the Rotary Lions Club here in Grand Prairie, and we are going to stop by Costco and get fuel. The fuel price is $1.25 a liter, and so that'll be about $5 a gallon. And then it's raining today. I cleaned up the RV and the pickup truck last night, and they were really dirty. I think I'll get dirty again today, but that's okay. I got a coat of wax on them, so maybe the dirt won't stick so bad. We decided to make another intro for the video for the 4 Nomads. So I go by the name Mike.
I'm Leanne. I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we
are
the
4 Nomads.
So this is part 2 of the video. We have part 1 where we travel from our homes up into Canada. So part 2 is going to be our journey to Alaska through Canada. So follow us, and we'll put up videos as we go. Hope you enjoy it. Comment, like, subscribe. And we'll see you. We'll see you on the road. All right.
Straight for 1 hour and 16 minutes to Highway 2.
What a debacle that was. Oh, here it is. Welcome to BC, right here. Welcome to British Columbia. We're good. Mile 0, traffic circle. Yeah.
It's that color, kind of. See how crowded they are. No, we don't have to stop. Oh yeah, look at them. There's Class A over there, towing. Which way do we go?
Right here.
Port St. John, I guess, 97. Yeah.
Here we are at the Alaska Highway Mile 0. You and I
We made it.
are here at the circle.
Mile 0.
Mile 0. So
I'll let you take a picture off videos.
here we are. We are at the Mile 0 famous visitor center. Anyway, we made it.
We made it here.
Woohoo!
We are made
The
it.
rest of the journey starts.
That's right.
We'll be in a,
1,500 miles to go.
we'll be where are we
1,500
going
already
to?
gone.
We're going to Dawson City. When we're going into Alaska, we're going to go up to Chicken, or we're going to take the top of the world highway, or what?
Depends on the road. Depends
Okay.
on the road. One's
All right.
closed right now, so we have to see.
All right, here we are.
Hi.
All right, we're walking to the visitor center. We've gotten our picture in front of the famous Alcan Highway, mile point 0, right?
Right.
And what you think about it? You got your microphone on, and
I think this is one of the most exciting parts of the trip. Just because this makes me feel like we're really going now.
yeah. Well, it's good. I'm excited. I think this was one of the highlights of our trip, and well,
No turning back now.
We did it, didn't we? We
did.
managed it. Pulled it off.
2 of us and the 2 of them. Did you get them back there? Can you see them back there?
Yeah, they're back there. They're coming.
Partners in crime.
Coming up to the visitor center. It's open today.
Which everyone says you must stop at to get all the information. Helps to collect important information, which you've already collected a lot already.
is
We're
official.
on the railroad to Alaska.
Yeah. Thank you for visiting Dawson Creek. So we are not staying at Sakani River campground. It was really a rough spot. The driveway and the parking lot was all kind of rutted up where it had been driven on when it was wet and snow and all. So we've decided to move on. We're going to try a turnout. And here's a turnout here to the left. I don't know if you can stay at a place like that. We're going to find out.
But we did meet one of the crew of one of the Gold Rush.
Gold Rush, yeah. And he was on the military group, the former military guys on that. And there was just a few guys. And he says he's got all of his construction equipment up there. And he goes up every summer.
He's headed back up there now.
Yeah. That was interesting.
Yeah, was it?
Yeah. Right side.
There's a lot of people here. Oh, look at their big rigs too.
Mhm.
I like knowing other big people are here. We can get out. I want to go.
Yeah, they
ask-
got their slide out over here.
Oh, they do.
Oh, yeah. What do you think? That was brilliant. Look at they've got theirs out already.
Yeah.
I think this is good.
I'm going to pull it over a little bit more.
I think you're fine.
I think you're fine, Glenn.
Yeah, you're good. Are y'all happy? We're stopping here tonight.